All right. Yay, we're back on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, X, all that stuff, Facebook Live. Can you guys hear me on YouTube? Yay. I don't like being just on TikTok, trust me. Da 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 da. Da da dee da do. Da 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 dee. Da da dee da da. Da da da. Da da dee da do. Da da dee da do. Da da dee da do. All right. Sound is a go. What's up, Sally? What's up, Michelle Glowinski? What's up, Grant? What's up, Orlando? Nice. We're live back on everything. Please just give thumbs up. I don't want to have to do that every morning, but I guess I will. I don't know. It's not that hard to hit the damn button. Come not to. All right.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
I've called out US 30, YM1, NAS 100, NQ1, SPX 500, ES1 Gold, Bitcoin XRP, Ethereum, XLM, Nike, Target, J&J, and CVS. Is there any other symbols you want me to call out? Let me know. 1 minute. I'll stop SPX. Let's see here. Yeah, it's going to go right back down. Price action is going to go right to there. You're going to see the pink cross this purple and go down to the blue. Pink down. This is gap right here. That little thing right. There, see it go down? I told you. See, this is going to fill in and touch. See, price action went right back down to where it was going to go. There you go. Easy peasy. That was SPX 500. Oh, I never play sells. I only play buys. Huh. John says the least we can do is support. Thank you, John. Da da da. Yeah, but it's ridiculous. We can't have, some days I'll have 90, 100, 120 people watching, and there'll be like 15 likes. Yeah, I'm going to have to start smashing that down to the ground. Da da da. Da da da. Da da. Da da da. Da da dee. Da da dee. Da da. Right, where were we? More George. Still waiting for US 30 to come down. It'll do it before market open. I think we have some kind of news at 8:15. We'll try to play that news. I'll tell you. What's going to happen before it happens. Let's go over to US 30 and see what's going on. Sell stop to the 5-second blue line, but I can't play it. I'm not going to. Yeah, whatever. US 30 will hit its 15-second blue line on a sell before market open at 9:30, but we'll just wait. Buy stop on NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES. Do you guys see what's happening as these go further down? Look at your. It was a 3-minute buy stop. Now it's a 5-minute buy stop. They were no 10 or 15-minute, but now they're 15-minute buy stops. You see what's. Justin Suter, why is it? Because it was the same thing yesterday morning, Justin. What do you mean, why? They're not so different. It's giving you a chance to get into US 30 on the sells. And remember, US 30 is your buy, 45-minute blue line, so it's going to always be a hard up. It's just moving up. Whenever you see a difference like this, this is money. Whenever you see a difference like this, this is money. So why is it so different? Because US 30 is trying to catch up to the 45-minute buys that's already happened. So you remember this right here. They're all over the blue line. You see this, watch. You know what? Hold on a second. You know what? We can make have a right margin. Oh, we can't. Fuck. I thought it did that. Well, neither here. All right, look. This is the blue line. This is NAS, Q, SPX, right? They're all above their blue line. This is US 30, 45-minute. It's below its blue line. So why is it different? Different equals money. This is what it's trying to do, catch up. So while these are still coming down enough, you'll see this come down a little bit about the 30-second mark. Then they're going to rocket back up again. So what you're seeing is US 30 is playing catch up, not mustard, but catch up to these ones right here for the 45-minute. And this is what I mean. You can clearly see they're all super past the 45-minute. So you should be asking, why is that? And well, that's what this is going to do. It's going to catch up today. It's going to go up there and touch that blue line. I do believe today will be the day it actually goes up and touches it, by the way. Does that make sense to you, Justin, and everybody listening? Please know. We're up to 33 people. Let me see how many likes we have. 26. Okay, please keep the likes coming because I'm telling you, if I see that shit again, I'm going to block it again. Mark's on. Bye, so Jesus. Another one of the sound people. Hold on. Let me switch my scroll. Get over here and go to captions. For sound, go to TikTok.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. It's in the game. I'm getting my buy stops ready for ES1, SPX 500. I'm getting ready for the buy stops, not now, but for these all going awesome. Who is the one? The only one. The only. You'll hear these alerts go off a little bit later on. When you do, you'll know you're in the money or ready to get money. We've already made trades on these buys. I was up a few thousand. And US 30. See the difference? Look at US 30 rocketing. All indices that we trade, ES1, SPX 500, and Q1 and NAS 100 to the 5-second blue lines. Matter of fact, they even hit their 1 second yet. One can buy stops to the blue line, all indices. This is awesome. Everything is awesome. You'll see the pink cross the blue, go up to the blue, pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue. Hey, what's his name? Look at this. Yeah, baby. There's our buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the buy. 1 second. Now, what time is it? Yeah, we're getting close to the news time. One of our members has done so good over the last 3 years with me. He literally is a licensed broker, a regulated broker by Norway. Goroth is his name. He's exceptional. I'm so happy. It took him 3 years to get this thing up. Looks great too, by the way. We do have a store over there. If you go to YouTube, click on it. I swear the merchandise is fantastic. I'll be wearing it when we get back home. What's this one? Oh yeah, Secret Harbor. Oh my goodness, Secret Harbor is just freaking usually where we stay. And this picture, oh, you can't even hit that. Oh, this picture right there doesn't even do it justice. That's so pretty. Yeah, that's not even close to how pretty it is. No. Yeah, I recognize this part. It is just one gorgeous. No, it's not green. It's blue water. See how it's blue and green? It is amazing. Very, very, and they have great snorkeling. It's just, can't wait to go back. Actually, I think we're gonna stay somewhere else next time. We stayed here twice. Yeah, been running on all those calls, right on that call. Jokesters over here. Da, 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 at St. John, same thing. St. John. Trunk, this is called. I don't know why they're calling this St. John Beach Break. This is Trunk. #1 beach in the world, actually. And that water, see the different colors? Spectacular. All right, what are we looking at? ES1. ES1, it's in the game. ES1, it's in the game. I'm looking at that, the 1 second buy stop. Look at that. Looky there. Can you looky there? Yeah. 1 second buy stop. It's going to do it again. It's a ricochet. You got to go do it again. It's titanium. Told you. Oh, you can't remember the dinky boy person that was, you can't make money on 1 second trades. Yeah. I'm going to tell you can, you silly person. All right. What's now? Yeah. Five, stop 5 second NAS. Going right to there. Oh, that's US 30. Sorry, US 30. And here too for YM. Let me see what it has to do. Sorry. This guy on TikTok bragging about his signal. The great Keith Palmer is messaging. He's the one who created all the indicators that you see out here. He's taken my mind and switched it out here and here and here. Yeah, he's incredible. What a coder. Good friend too. Good man. 45-minute buy stop. All indices. Short-term sell stops towards the blue line. See, I said the 1 minute blue lines have all been hit except for US 30. Yes, really? Money. Oh, yes. There you go. That's 1 second blue line. Look for this to change. Watch. You'll see state has all the buys. Now the news coming up. We're taking a buy, so we'll hope for a little bit smart cool down, and then we'll enter the trades. These are all 1 second buy stops, 5 second buy stops. ES, SPX, and let's go to NQ now and see. There you go. Watch this go up. There you go. Touchdown, NQ. Yep, they're all 1 second buys. Their money is like rolled off before any of these things. Because the company's still good. I'm still better than my own system, but you know. So 5 seconds now. 5 second buy stop. All indices. There you go. You hear that money talk? Listen to that money talk. NQ1 buy stop to the 5 second blue line. As buy stop to the 5 second blue line. If you don't know what a buy stop is, a future pending order. If you don't know what the blue line is, buy my system. It's a bullseye. It always tells you where it's going. This is an SPX. I'm sorry, ES1 bot. It's in the game. This is a buy stop on ES1 to the 5 second blue line. You're going to see SPX go to the 5 second blue line. You can see NAS going back to the 5 second blue line. And there we go. Let's go back to NAS and say it ain't so. Oh my goodness. NAS. We're just about to make a shit ton of money. Now, I don't know what this news is coming up. I don't know what they're fucking about. I'm only going to play a buy on it, though. That much I know. Why easy buy right here, but it's already done it. Well, whatever. It's market. Close. Alert limit reached. 2,000 alerts. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Has anyone ever seen an alert limit reached? I do found this is too fucking cool. I take this as I'm gonna sell keys. Good morning, Keith. Look at this shit. I reached an alert limit. They said I reached 2,000 alerts. Have you ever heard of such? That's funny as fuck. Good morning. Hope you're doing good. Are you updating something or something? I forgot what you're doing. At any rate, look at that, an alert limit. I've never heard of such. That's funny as fuck. Figures trading, you would have a limit. Oh my god, that's funny.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I am not a financial advisor. An alert limit. Sure, we'll delete all the access. How do you know what's active and what's not? I'm going to take all my alerts. I'm going to have to reset them all like that. Not about bitch. An alert limit. That is too fucking funny. I hope they drop this some more before the news comes out in a little bit here. We got about 9 minutes to the news. Please don't play the news. If you're going to play the news, you've got to lock in profits. Speaking of which, let's make sure my profits are locked in. Yeah, they are. All profits locked in for me. Let's see. ES1, it's in the game. Oh, hold on. Let's go to US 35 second, 10 second. Let me see the 5 second. 1 second. I'm going to go. I wouldn't trade it. I'm not trading this. 10 seconds to the blue line sell. Sell to the 15 second blue line. US 30. I'm not trading it. We'll just wait. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it is. For the 10 second blue line hit. For the time you can trade these, I just don't like them themselves. Listen to that. Listen to that. You guys hear? Listen to the money talk. Money talk. Nice.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I am not a financial advisor. I am not a financial. That is for a fact that I am not. Listen to the money talk. Money talk. All right, there you go. I don't even know what that noise was. Sell the 15 second blue line US 30. I'm not trading. I told you it had to do this. It does this every time. Yeah. Go right down to there. Let's see why easy. Same thing. It's going down to there. They're always the same. least I got guys to quit asking about that. I swear it was so annoying. Oh, Kevin, what about the NQ with NAS? It's the fuck. There you go. Sell stop to the 3-minute blue line. All other indices, including NAS, including NQ1. You'll see. Now, what I'm thinking they're going to do is they're going to drop it quick and then arch it back up. There's a lot of room on SPX. US sell stop. US 30 sell stop. SPX sell stop. US 1 sell stop. Combined. Back to US 30. Yep. 15-second broke. See, flip. Told you. It's always free money. This is the last one. Remember I told you it was odd? That's why they do it like that. They give you time to get in. Sell to the 30-second blue line. After this, you guys better get ready for a buy. You can take these sells, knock your sells out. I'm just telling you what I'll be doing is waiting for the buys. Matter of fact, let's see if we can get into something here. Nope. Nope. Come on, really? Okay. 3-minute buy, stop. News, it says Techman. Thank you, Techman. What's up, Luke? Good morning, Luke. Not sure if you've been here before. Welcome to the channel. Good morning, Mike Snyder. What's up, Mike Snyder? No, I heard there was news at 8:15 too and 8:30. The signal accounts haven't even hit that. Well, that I know of. I'll be working on Breeze apps today. Didn't have time. Oh, okay. Was wondering if you needed. Keith Rooney. Little Keith Rooney says he's 6'3". I swear to God, Keith is like 6'5". Oh yeah, baby. NQ1. NQ1. Yeah, baby. NQ1. US 30. US 30. In the money. In the money. Da, 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 in the money. There you go. US 30 head to its 30-second blue line. These are the alerts that they pop up right here. I don't like this thing right here. Okay, I think there might be news in 3 minutes. No one's really sure on this fact. All right. I've been using your system 2 weeks and haven't lost a day yet and still learning. Oh, nice. Welcome, Luke. Look at that testimonial. Been using the system for 2 weeks, haven't lost a day yet and still learning. Been amazing. Nice, Luke. Well, welcome aboard. Glad you're doing so well. Don't worry, you'll have losses. Just don't have a heart attack. Hang in there. Smash those likes. Yeah, I need to check those likes. All right. Still looking at that Tommy stuff. Okay. If there is news, we're gonna. Matter of fact, hold on. If there is news, let's take a look. Well, hell, fuck that. Let me see. 1 second. So let's go to 5 seconds. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to watch all symbols on all time frames, all those that we track, and these are sells. If there is news, I'll be doing the buys only. US 30 cross, US 30 cross. Nine. There is usually something. I don't know if it's worth any use. I'm going to grab some. If they jerk this down nice and hard, like a little bit further, I'll grab it. But 10-minute. 10-minute buy stop. I'm going to go to the 15-minute. Yeah. NAS 100, 15. They might just keep dropping it, though. I don't care. I'm going to wait. US 30. Let me go. Yeah, 3-minute buy stop, US 30. So if this news is working, which it probably is not. Yeah, it is, and it's already 8:15. 30-second sell stop to the blue line, US 30. I never play the sells. I'd be waiting here patiently for the buys. We've already made a shit ton of money on the buys, by the way. Okay. Nothing on the news. It's a nothing burger unless it's CPI, or they might make a special announcement. But if it's CPI, NFP, or FOMC at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, active right there. All right, what time is it? So we got about an hour and change for the market open. Any symbols you guys want me to check? Any cryptos you want me to check? Any information you need help on? Do da da dee da do da dee do da dee da dee da dee da dee da dee. Good morning again, Cristobal. CPI in 15 minutes. See, now that one's going to move us, Harry knows. Look at Harry. I swear to God, Harry's like a silent ninja back there. Harry, you're a silent killer. Well, market killer, not a person. Yeah. All right. Oh, man. Got to get out there and do my walking when we're done with this. And then oh, nobody knows my sorrow. Any questions, concerns, comments? Peace. You know, I exercise and do stretches the whole time I'm talking. So, all right. And let's see what we got over there. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? 3-minute buy, stop US 30. 1 minute sell towards the blue line, US 30, and only play the buys. Just look. I hope you guys are paying attention to this. Look how these are popping up as I told you. See how they pop up? Little buy now at 45-minute buy stop. Look, here's a buy stop on a 60-minute buy stop. See them all popping up. These weren't here this morning. These were not here. They're forming. This is what I always told you guys, but none of you really understood it. When these go down on the smaller time frame, see, 3-minute, SPX to the 3-minute blue line, AS1 to the 3-minute blue line, NAS has hit its blue 3-minute blue line, and HQ has hit its 3-minute blue. But see, when these all turn red like this, they're forming these buy stops. You guys, how can you miss this now? See all the red? Look, all the red over here. All this red is forming these buy stops. 7s if you understand that. 9s if you don't. Let's try to teach you that, and now you guys can see it. Special treasury at 8:30. Yeah. Yeah, just more time. The sniper rifle, this H&H scanner is only available on for the indices. The sniper rifle works with everything. Let's take a look at SPX. And you're going to want this one because this is special. There you go. Sell stop, sell stop. SPX hitting, going to hit his 3-minute blue line. You're in the money on SPX and ES. It was just called to the 3-minute blue line. Good morning, Jacob. Oh, I'm sorry here. Please, everyone, pray and send special blessings to Harry. I don't know what the issues are, but healing, whatever the issues are that he needs healing for, whether it's financial, spiritual, mental, physical, please, we ask healing blessings upon Harry, and whatever the situation is, ask your blessings upon him and his family. And I want to ask blessings upon each and every one of you. As a matter of fact, let's throw in a quick little prayer. Thank you, God, for having everybody that's in our lives, especially our beautiful significant others, especially Nicole Kennedy. And thank you for each and every one of our loved ones, including Harry, for being 100% healthy in every way that he needs to be healthy, and they need to be healthy, and my wife needs to be healthy, and Keith needs to be healthy. And thank you for everyone doing better today. And thank you for letting us have loving relationships with those around us. Father, we come to you in Jesus' name. Thank you for these things. I also like to thank you for another day above ground, another day of health and happiness, spiritual closeness with you. Please bless each and every one of my listeners in good health and good wealth, and in every way they need to be blessed. And please let them open up their minds, hearts, and souls so they can learn how to trade and make consistent profits by using my system. So, thank you for these things in Jesus' name. Amen. All take profits hit. As I told you, all take profits hit. Doop, 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 doop. Look at this one. We're left with 30. And that's it. This is prime time, by the way. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. Green giant. Hold on a second there, PP. PPs. All right. Here we go now. All right. Da-da. All right. Da-da. All my other ones have tapped out today. Damn, it was such a hard drop. They tapped me out. Da-da. Da 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 da. Sell stop ES1. Sell stop US 30 to the 3-minute blue line. ES1's already look past it. Here goes what? Oh no. Let's make this US 30. There you go. And then let's make that Y. There you go. Let's go over here to 3 minutes. Make sure this is it is. There you go. It's in the mod administration discourse. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think the Discord mod. Really? I really don't want to do that now, but I guess I can. Buy stop all indices. 5 minute, 10 minute, 50 minute, 30 to the 45-minute blue line of US 30. See the buy stops? All to the, see that? Sell stop, only thing left. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Okay, I'm not nearly as good as my precious wife to sing that for. All right, so this is what we're looking at, and it's everything else is red. Play any sell stop to the 3-minute line of US 30. I told you that to go down there, by the way. Now, there might be some nice moving news here. Be prepared. I'd be prepared for some buy stops. I'd be prepared for some buy stops with this news in 5 minutes. Some news in 5 minutes, probably like 4 minutes. Good morning, Adam. I'm just jumping on for a few before I take the kids to school this morning. God bless. Good morning, Adam. And God bless you and your children and your family. Play any sell stops you can until YM US 30 get close to their blue line. I have a feeling they'll jerk this down and jerk it back off, but they'll jerk it down first, it looks like. I hope everybody is making some money. Yeah. Let me go back over to here. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Come on, what's the news? Give it something to move. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 3 minutes to news. 3 minutes to news. Yay. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Woo! All right, guys. Yeah, baby. Been watching a little too much Ronnie Coleman lately. Right, news is almost upon us. Sell to US 30 3-minute blue line afterwards or right as buy. So it's going to go I think we're down. Let me draw it out for you. I hope we hook down. I want to see this, and then later on that. I want to see this hook down, and then come back up. That's what I prefer. See, let's see what we shall see, shall we? I don't think I'm going to do a sell. I can't do a sell. I'm not going to do a sell. All right. Hopefully some big news. About 30 seconds. Let's go. Big money. Big money. What's that, Sean? Come on. We might get just a push up, but I really want to see this come down. I want to see it if we could hit or come close to that 3-minute mark or go past it. Geez, it might just go up. I don't know. Come on, buddy. You can close down your trades if you are to buy, by the way. Feel free. You're in money on all the buys. You can close those down. Feel free. News, 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 news. There's the dip down. There's the dip down to the blue line. YM. There you go. There you go. There you go. There's your dip down. There's your dip down to the blue line. It touched the blue line. You all made money on that sell. You're welcome. You all made money on that sell. You're welcome. You're welcome. You all made money on that sell. There you go. There you go. Y'all made money on that sell. You're welcome. And now you're making money on the buy. You're welcome. Take the money. Take the money and run. Money and run on the buys. Take the money and run on the buys. Take the money and run on the buys. Lock and profit on the rest. Take the money and run on those buys. That was beautiful. That was gorgeous. Did exactly as called. Did exactly as called. Gorgeous trades. Man, I knocked out about 10 of those. Perfect. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Good enough for me. Pulled down to the blue line on the YMs. And then arched up again. That's all we needed. Money. My pips, blue line trades happen daily. Thank you, God. Thank you, Coach. You're welcome, Matt. All right. That was gorgeous. I'm wondering why US 30 over here is not moving, but whatever. Look, there it goes down again. And don't worry, it'll look back up. We're going to wait for this flip right here. And that's what you're seeing right here. Going down to the blue line. There you go. The news is okay. Enough for me to grab some money out of it. That's all I care about. News is okay.
Climate change will not make Earth uninhabitable. Climate change.
No, I'm not sending you a friend request. Get the fuck out of here. Amen. How do I get rid of this?
Climate change will not make Earth uninhabitable. Climate change.
Oh, shut up. These people out there. Wowza. Wowza. All right. Yes, touchdown to the blue line. Told you there was only one opening. There it is. Touch the blue line. Whether it goes past it or not is irrelevant. There you go. Let me get rid of this one here. Nice, peeps. We have touchdown to the blue line. Now, fully suspect at open or before open over the next hour, you'll start to see these kind of go down a little bit, and they'll start to flip. I still would like to see this, but we'll see. And you see how all these red are forming your buy stops over here. I used to say that to was blue in the face, but at least now you guys can see it. You see it? See? Beautiful. Good morning, little Joe. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. I'm sure Kevin Alderman's there. Good morning, Kev. Good morning, little Joe. Big Money. Good morning, Joe Biga. Good morning, Marley Mar. I wish I could get this better on TikTok. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, Kenny J. Old School Mick. Yeah, there's tons of you on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Sorry if I didn't say your names. Good morning, Mr. C. NAS is going to, it might very well go to 5 minutes. That's what they do there. Yesterday, it went 1 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute, 3 minute. And today, you might see these turn to red, is what he's saying. And you might see NAS heading down here like this. This is what they do. And then they'll flash this like this, and they'll bring this one. This will turn to red. I doubt we're hitting there on the 5 minute here for this one. And then maybe even a 10 minute will go down like this, right? And then what they do is they go later or whatever they're going to do. Then these all flip over to green, and these flip over to green. Let me rephrase that. Then these will flip over to green. These will flip over to green. These all flip over to green. Green. Then these will go over to green, and then these will go over to green. Finally, this 45 minute will go to green, and that's what we'll do. But it takes, pretty long period of time on that one. Caught it all off the 3 minute against Justin. Nice, Justin. Careful playing the cells. Remember what I tell you. I swear, you peeps. Careful playing the cells. But we're definitely still in a buy. You can do it. Obviously, lots of people do it all the time. They play the up and the down low with US 30 crossing. Yeah. We're about to see US 30 go. This is my little call out hours and hours ago. So the 1 minute blue lines now we're to 3, but then the buy stops the blue lines. Exactly. See, there you go. Good call. That was Justin. Larry Cooper. Good call. That was Larry. There you go. Turn to red. And look, it's creating your buy stops. Buy. Look, it fell. US 30 fell. Now this is solid red. Now look over here. It's over. Let me see SPX and US 30. Maybe I can get a call for you guys there. Sell stop SPX to the 5 minute blue line. And then ES1 is in the game. Yep. It already kind of hit it, by the way. 5 minute sell stop to the blue line for ES1 and SPX. These should fall before market open. You'll see them fall. And I'm telling you, though, let me go over to the USD. Nope, let me go over here. Buy stop 10 minute US 30. Let's go over here and do a quickie. A little quickie. Let's go over here. Let's just hang up there and there. All right. Yeah, baby. Buy stop US 30, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute to the 45 minute line. Buy stop NAS and SPX, 30-minute, 45-minute, 60-minute. To the 60-minute blue line for NAS. Let's go over there and take a look, see how you can read this. Watch. Yay. Negative. So it's saying it is a 30-minute, 45-minute buy stop. It is. It is. It's below the 60-minute. That doesn't look like it's below it. 2 hour. 2 hour buy stop. NAS, take off at 1 here. I put up 2,000 alerts. That's a lot of cookies. NQ1, 2 hour buy stop to the blue line. 1 2 hour buy stop to the blue line. I know it's going down, but I also know if you look at the 2 hour, watch this shit. Look at the 2 hour. It doesn't flip here. What you're seeing over here, all this, look, yes, one, by the way, take profit. And EIX, all movement is nothing on a 2 hour candle. All this right here is not even a blip, just so you're clear. Some of you get carried away. Oh, all right, SPX. Maybe go down to my phone. 1 hour buy stop by an SPX. Love this trade. ES1, 1 hour buy stop to the blue line, ES1. Love the trade. Yeezy, YM, is a 45-minute buy stop to the blue line. Absolutely adore this trade. Adore this trade. Adore this trade. Let me go to US 30. Same exact adoration right here. I love it. Just wait. Be patient. Don't be in any rush. And this is what happens. See how they yesterday they went to the 1 minute, 3 minutes. Today they went to the 5 minutes. Remember, I just did these the other day. I do those all the time. And then it'll off the back. Normally we'll see it goes back to green today, which it will sometime between now and 10:30. If it doesn't do it by 2:30 this afternoon. So anyway, they do always do it on 4 hour candles. I should teach you how to play inside those 4 hours. I've done that. But this is the US 35 minute. So can I get there? Yeah. Oh, it's flashing money signs. Look at Keith flashing them. You go, Keith. 30-minute money sign. 30-minute money sign. 30-minute money sign. Look at Keith flashing money. You go, Keith. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. What's up, Justin? 12-hour sell. I took profit on my buy from last night. Geez, we were dropping like 5. It does it every day. It's the same fucking thing. And it's exactly why I sent the email out. I sent the email out today. It's exactly what it does today. It's exactly what it does anytime that there is a buy the day before they drop it the next day. Every single time. There is no way they don't, unless it's a super hard. They just keep going up with it. But 4 out of 5 days, this is exactly what they do. Exactly what they do. Look. Well, here, I'll just go into the Discord, same email. Nothing changes. Not where the fuck? Oh, where should I? Not that one. Do not share signals. There you go. Here you go. Same thing over and over again. Short-term sells now. Play any buy stops to the 45-minute. Short-term, everything same as yesterday. Same as the day before. Same as the day before that. Yep, exactly the same. Easy peasy. There's nothing to this trading. It's the same shit. They only can do the like one-trick ponies. They either bring it up, they bring it down. They bring it down, then they bring it up. That's all they do. Look at Keith's money sign. I'm so impressed with that. All right, how much time? Oh my gosh, we still got like 45 minutes before market open. Okay. Somebody start asking me questions to keep me awake because I'm pretty tired over here. I'm really getting kind of. Make sure you switch that. Oh, there he is. My SPX and that's just turned red. Yep. Waiting on the 15-minute buy. Yep. Well, look at the buys. It's more than a 15-minute buy there. Look, there's a 10-minute on US 30, 15-minute US 30, and on US 30. For NAS, there's a 30-minute, 45-minute to the 60-minute blue line, and a 60-minute buy stop. And then same for NQ1, and then the same for SPX, 15-minute, 30, 45. These are all buy stops. When it's saying BS, those are buy stops. It's showing you exactly. Yep. Oh, look, I see something. I see life at the end of the tunnel over here. Let me see. Yes, 1 second. What do we see? Interesting. One stop to the blue line, NAS and NQ. I'll tag it and see if it moves. If it comes up here, we'll know. NQ, baby. I don't know if it's ready to do that yet. I think it's going to be open before they pop it, but we'll see. Yep. We'll know. What we're looking for is all these over here to turn green. So we want those 1 seconds to flip. So we'll wait for this right here. And then once we start seeing that's probably these two right here. We start seeing that, we can start looking into the buys. Once you get about 1, 2 of these done, like 2 rows, first 1 second and 5 seconds, we should be good to go on the buys, then the flip. I'll tell you when it happens, don't worry. Never fear. Fearless leader is here. Does anybody have any questions? Yes or no?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
It's a 12-hour daily sell stop for NAS. That's what you're saying? 12-hour daily sell stop for NAS. Or you can look at it as a weekly, 3 weekly buy stop, which is what I choose to do. Yep, either or. Whoa. Why did those flip like that? Yeah, we've been calling that. Oh, you must have been out. I forgot. There you go. Anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments while I gather up a few things? I got a wonderful day willing ahead of me. Wow. What's making all the racket? US 30. What is US 30? US 30 is crossed. Is that right? Yep. US 30 crossed, headed to the 5. US crossed or touched its 5-minute. Nice. Gorgeous. Yeah, I was a little shocked that US 30 went that low. That's awesome. Shouldn't have been, though, because they did the 3-minute yesterday. I told them they did the 5-minute. See how close they're going to get to some 10 minutes. No. Let me see. I don't think today. Not today, Def. Not today. Okay. Let me see. This is over here. Let me see over here. XRP down. Is that right? Expired. Cash out successful. And let's see if it's working. Here. I'm just be ready for buy stops. So the 1 second blue lines, but I'm not looking right now. Give me 1 second. Where did Holly send it to? Thank you, Russell, for the nice email. Oh, I forgot it. No. Where are we? I need to find my rapid ketosis. There it is. So I have no idea what's going on. Give me just a second, peeps. Of my nations. iCarly. I don't know what any of this is. Justice. Here, let me record this so that we have a. All right. Today is the last day of April. Just recording this so that if Case Precious needs to see it or something. This is what Holly sent over. Looks like quarterly federal tax returns. And then that way we have record of this. And I'll turn on the sign in here. Okay. So let's go ahead and make this sign. Why? That it? Submit. You're all set. Oh, okay. Let's see. Here. I believe. Okay. I don't know. Where are we at? Place your buy stops up above where it is. Follow it down. Rule number 7. You guys crack me up. How do know when it turns around? Well, A, it's going to turn around when it turns around. B, you'll notice it all over the place because you'll see these 1 seconds and 5 seconds falling. C, if you follow the rules, you're going to see the headlight trading right here. You're going to see this come down like this, and then it's going to hook and come back up. Then you'll know you'll catch it when you put your buy stop on the orange line. So I don't know, follow the rules maybe once in your guys' lives, I swear. How do I know that? What do I know there? Oh, God. Good morning, Kevin. And I think, aren't you Kevin too? Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Mr. C. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Please say you guys are doing better. How many people are watching? Oh, just 50. I thought it was 80. So as long as we're in those 20s, 30s, with a thumbs up, I'll tolerate it. 35, that's good. I can tolerate it. All right, we're playing the cells. All these cells were called out this morning, right here. First thing, as soon as I got up, got ready, blah, blah, blah. And first thing I said, sell stops to the 1 minute blue line, possibly the 3 minute, but it actually went all the way to the 5 minute. And then look for your 45-minute buy stops. There they are. Da, 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 da. Money sign on the 30-minute buy. What does that mean? That means Keith is funny. It's fucking what that means. But these are all buy stops at the same time. All 30-minute buy stops to the 45-minute blue line on all indices actually at this time. That's what this means. What's up, Dad Bod? $2,000 day today already. Yay! Dad Bod kicking ass. What's up, Sub-Zero? So funny. Oh, so funny. Great job. Awesome job, Dad Bod. Da, 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 da. So holy, 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 holy. Holy, 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 holy. Holy, 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 holy. All right, let me get rid of this thing over here. Oh, yeah. Good. Yeah, I think I'm good on that. I think those two left. Holy, 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 holy. Nice. All right. Well, I'm bored. How much time we got left? Damn. Fucking half hour. I don't really want to teach you guys anything this morning. Congratulations, Dan. Again, does anybody have any questions? Please. Buy stops on the 1 second. Let's take a look. It's probably going to be next. Yeah, I'd be careful. Just let them fall. Just let all these over here turn to green. Then we'll get back to business. Don't worry about it. We have time. If they keep going down to the 5 minute US, that's great. I don't have a problem with that. Do it. Maybe it'll go down here to the 10 minutes. That's fine too. I don't know. I just don't see the 10 minute today. I think they're going to pull it up, march it up, and then bring it down later. But I could be wrong. If you're in your cells, stay in your cells, make money, lock in profits. 9 times out of 10, though, I don't do the sells. I just don't. Story as old as time. Damn, I'm trying legs today. Fuck. You know, there's people that like legs or like us. Rarely do people like both. I'm a chess person. I don't like training legs. But I'll do it. Too late to get any sells right now. I wouldn't bother. Either in your sells or you're not. I would be setting up for your buy stops at open. That's what I'll be looking for at or before open. I'll be looking for the buys. Well, actually, technically at or before 10:30 this morning, I'll be expecting a turnaround buy. But we'll see. No rush at all. This is the same thing it does every way. If they bring it up, then overnight they bring it down. If they bring it down all day, they'll bring it up overnight. That's what they do. It's the same thing over and over and over again. Nothing ever changes. They have no, they're like one trick ponies. They only have a couple things they do, and that's it. And that is it. Oh, we owe. Kim, can you please call out? Yeah. What's up, Kim Campbell, lady? Yeah, please don't ask that late at the day like that. That's not cool. I'm not going to do that ever. I need to learn how to use the system, the rules. What's up, RUPZ7? What's up, Taraya Edwards? What's up, Rups? I need to learn how to use the system. Well, if you bought it, yeah, you have the rules and you have a training video. If you haven't bought it, then buy the system. Absolutely. Kim the Kendall lady wants me to buy out Marvel. Yep, let's take a look. MRVO. I feel bad. She asked the other day right before her last time. No, I'm not there. That's not it. What's that? That was weird. All right, Marvel. I know it's a 1 second sell. Stop. Nope, I don't want to do it here. No, hold on. Yeah, here we go. Let's do it over here. What she want? I can't believe they have that symbol. That is too close to Marvel. Okay, yeah. 1 second sell. Let me see where she's going. So you have the 2 out of 3 scanner, which only works for the way you can place it with the other ones, but only works there. Then you have the sniper rifle, which is the rifle right here, which is fantastic. And I see something. Is this looks out of place? What is 5 minutes sell? 10-minute sell stop Marvel to the $55.79. Yeah, I would play that though. Oh, what looks to me like these are buys. Buys 30-minute, 1 hour. Yep. Yep. 30-minute. Yep. 30-minute, 45-minute, 1 hour buy stop towards the 1 hour blue line. $167 take profit to $73. That's 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hours, 7 hours, 7 or 9 hours. Damn. 10 hours off. Where to? 12 hours. Already went to the daily. I'd be careful as a 12-hour daily sell cam, but I'd be very careful on that. I'd be very careful. I love this weekly daily buy stop. Yeah, I love whatever this is. It's very good for you for long term. I have no idea what they are or what they do. This is a week. It's a take time cube. This is a weekly daily buy stop. Take profit. I'll be looking for $65, $70. What is that? $75. And I love this one. $90. I do believe it'll be seeing it go past 130, 127 again. But yeah, what I like is right here. Though, it's $90, $95 for Marvel. And then, right, I would ask that once a week. Please don't ask on every day. There's no need, but it's not that good of a stock. Good morning, Kim the Candle Envy Lady. Good morning, Troy Edwards. Good morning, Rups. Can you look at what I just did? You're welcome. Justin, did anyone else get a 15-minute first call on the way? On NAS. On NAS. Let's take a look. 15 minutes. Oh, I don't know how it might send. I don't think it sends. Does it send a 15-minute buy, or is it 30-minute buy? Maybe it is 15-minute. Let's try. So, that's a perfect call. It was a 15-minute buy. So technically, it's 30 right now. Sell. No, we can't go to the 15. Well, it's only able to read the 15. Sorry. Yeah. Next up is the 10-minute. We don't have the 10-minute code into the right. It only sends up some. So sell, stop, NAS, SPX, US 30, blah, 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 ES1, all towards or to their 10-minute blue lines. This is SPX. Catch this. No passive music. Oh, hit it. 5-minute blue line hit by YM. And also US 30. Is that showing? Not what I want to see. Yes, let's see. No, it is not showing. 5-minute yet. Let me go to US 30 again. Go here. Yeah, I hit it. It must have shown it. I must have missed it, but it was below. But Ricochet, it's going to arch up, come back up, and hook back down there. Gosh, I hope it doesn't market open. Yeah, I should have time to. 10-minute sells, all indices, 5-minute sells, US 30. The rest of them are 10-minute sells. Sell stops. I'm not taking any of those. I'm waiting patiently. I don't care if it never goes up. I'll get $2. I got so much money in these other trades. I'm golden. Sit back and wait. Oh man, I look for hopefully a nice push up at open. If it doesn't occur, it's going to be one boring ass morning. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. I got to do some wash today. Thank God Bree does such a fantastic job. And that woman washes clothes or anybody know. I don't like it. I'll send the Discord kind of sell 15 for it. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's probably giving you the read. I thought it did a 30-minute, but evidently it's doing a 15-minute, which is the correct read, but it can't read a 10-minute, so it's limited on its logic. 10-minute is the next one. Again, I thought I just explained this yesterday and the day before that about when they flip. Ding, 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 ding. Wow, this is boring as fuck. I don't want to go into any explanations. Is it really only 9:08? Damn. A little over 20 minutes to market open. You guys can play all the spells you want. Feel free. Until otherwise noted. I haven't looked at a lot. Let me go to gold. Until otherwise noted, all indices, gold, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, XLM, Nike, Target, CVS are all buys, permanent buys. Let's see if we can do gold. That's funny if you guys have gold. We're on the wrong one. No. Wrong one. There. Now. All right, gold. Oh, I like it. Do a buy stop. Yep, buy stop 1 minute. Yep, buy stop. Buy stop to gold 3 minute blue line. This is yep. The trade towards the trade. Always take buy gold. This right here, peak lines down. It'll hook, come back up. You'll see price action go up towards the 3 minute blue line. Let's see where this is actually up to now. Mm-hmm. 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop to 15 minute blue line gold. 3,208. Yeah. 30 minute, 45 1 hour, no, buy. 3 hour buy. 3 hour, 4 hour buy on gold. Let me see something. Yeah, perfect. Take profit 1 gold, 3,224. 3,366. 3,393. 3,400, which is gold now. 3,500. 3,550. 3,600. That is gold. I love the trade. That's a 3 hour buy. Unfortunately for gold, we have to let this week. Come on. Yeah. Hello. Jeez, oh, pizza. We have. Hold on. We have to let the weekly peak 97 on gold. It's probably, like I was telling you, it's going to be what you guys would consider consolidation. It's going to do this little number right here. And then this little line here like that. And you're going to see this line come down like this right there over the next several weeks anyways. And then it'll pop back up again once it hits the bottom, just like this. Here, just like this here, just like this. There, this one. And then so that's okay. You gotta be a little patient with gold right now. You can take those little hours and 3 hours, feel free. But is this going to kind of, you can make a lot of money on consolidation with your guys' consolidation. It'll go up, it'll go down, it'll go up, it'll go down, it'll go up. Wouldn't hold the trade too long. Gold, I'm already in a trade for James. I have tons of buffer, tons of room. Tons of. All right, so that's gold. Love gold. What nice little buy lists. Oh, it's the weekly buy. Isn't a little buy. It's a huge buy. I already get the exact take profit I told you we'd go to. Sell Bitcoin. Come on. Why is my computer running slow with glasses? Whoa, change the fucking charts. Sell stop Bitcoin towards the 5 minute line. That'll get there. 94,152 or thereabouts. I would never play a sell on Bitcoin. I only like the buys. 15 minute buy stop, 30 minute buy stop. Yeah, I like the buys. It's calling for buy stop Bitcoin. The only thing I ever do for Bitcoin. Yeah. Buy stop 1, take profit 94,827. I love this take profit of 95,000. And then hundreds of $100, but whatever. Love it, love it, love it. What do we got? What do we got? Larry Cooper. Larry Cooper. I'm just waiting for the buys. Right. I mean, you can play the sells. They're really boring when it's just this. Crossing. What's going on still? Yes. You're talking about a silver and gold. Another thing.
Demo trade only. Not a financial advisor.
Precious. Precious. Man, this has been a slow morning. Some mornings are so fast and so fun. The morning wasn't one. Look at it go down. Bitcoin going down towards the blue line. That's called out. That is. Let's go back to gold. Oh, gold's going up. Oh my God. Gold. Jesus, I can't keep this fucking thing straight. Yeah, going up to its 3-minute blue line as called out by the sniper rifle. Look at it. Perfection. There it is. And Bitcoin was doing down, so they both did perfectly. So yay. That's for Bitcoin. Gorgeous. Look at that. Boom, baby. Just gorgeous. Gold, 3-minute touch. Yay, 3-minute touch. That's our excitement for today. I gotta get things set up. I gotta get things set up. Good. All right. Welcome back, Eric. All right. Let's go ahead and set these things. Let's start with ES1. What do I see that I want to do? ES1. Sell stop towards the 10-minute blue line. At least we can make noises. Now I like that. So we're going to go up here. We're going to go up, up and away, up and away. All right, we're going to go up here. 1 hour buy, 45-minute buy. Okay. ES1. I love the trade. Love the trade. It's technically. Okay, here we go. 45-minute buy stop to the 45-minute blue line. ES1 is in the game. Take profit 1. I love take profit 2. 5,000, whatever that is, 566. Love it. SPX. 1. Buy stop 45 minutes. 45-minute blue line. 5,493. I'm going to put an extra one there because it is SPX. And then let's go over to here. 5,540. That's SPX. Love the buy. 45-minute buy. NQ1. Yeah. Buy stop back to the 1 hour blue line is going to be a minute though. So these are going to be so I didn't get this today. All right, that's one. I'm sure Naz is the exact same. Buy stop Naz. Those are take profits. Take profit to 19,416. YM1. This is the one I love. Out of all of them, I love this the best. YM1, take profit 1, 40,435. Take profit 2, 40,588. Take profit 3, 40,818. US 30. Take profit 1, buy stop 45-minute, 40,287. 40,403. 40,634.
Trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Remember, me and Bree make shit tons of money off the stores. We have 3 scan stores. Thank got from our loyal followers. We help them. They help us. Doing fantastic with that record numbers. Actually doing fantastic. Can't thank God enough for the blessings. Thank you all for the blessings. Understand that I don't have a shit ton of money. Don't have a shit ton of time to trade. I do trade. You'll see me trade live. Of course, demos only. These are not. You guys do your own trades, but you're doing. You're only allowed to do demo. I'm not a financial advisor. What other releases are there? Oh, let me pull up this. Sorry. Let's go over the actual legal disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. No one what this is. We're not qualified licensed investors. Do your own consultations. Go out there and talk to someone that they know what they're talking about. I'm a social media influencer. I only have a little store. You're an adult. You make your own decisions. Please say the word yes if you understand I am not a financial advisor. What's up, the Griffey? Thank you, sir. What's up, History and Wildlife? I know who you are. What's up, Ace Bullet and Little Joe? Thank you. Cassistat. What's up, Cassistat? I don't recognize your name. Marley Mar, Lazarus. I'll wait for people on TikTok. I mean, on YouTube. That was all TikTokers. All right. Now then. Gee whiz. What are we going to watch this morning? I think we'll watch. This is just huge. I have to do this. Hold on a second. I have. Let me make sure we're on US3. All right. Buy stop US30 to the 45-minute blue line. Have to. This is just, I don't care. I don't care what the fuck they do. They could drop it another 1,000 points. I'm putting on all my buy stops ready to roll. All right. How do we got? Eric? Cash out. Successful. Okay. Gee whiz. 8.5 minutes to market open. I mean, all I'm playing is buys. If this thing doesn't flip up, I don't give two fucks. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop NQ1. Buy stop US30. Buy stop YM1. Buy stop SPX 500. Buy stop ES1. All towards the 45-minute blue line of US30. That's it. I have no other call for you. If it continues to go down, yay! I hope you guys all have your all your profits locked in and let it go. Do not play market open. Market open is too volatile for probably 99% of you. Please don't play it. If you're going to play it, don't trade only. Lock in profits. If you're trying to do what I'm doing, you better get in and out of that market super fast. Oh man, what a boring morning. We made money on gold. You saw me play the little news. I made some good money on US30 on that one. I believe it was US30. That was real good money. And then yeah, how much power I left on that battery? Yeah, for the next few minutes anyway. 7.5 minutes to market open. 7 minutes to market open. Don't play it. Demo trade only. Blah 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 blah. Let me turn this back. Yeah. Do. I don't care. Buy stops. Put them in place. Be ready to roll. Oh shit. Okay, the US30 bucks in good money. Very good money. Extremely good money. Where's it coming to? Oh, nice. Buy stop These are all clear? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. We have flip. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. Damn, did I call that just right? 5-second buy stop, all these to their blue lines. 5-second blue lines. This is ways up too, boy. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how she blows. We'll see. Hey. Oh, that's nice. Shit, we have a lot open. Wow, that's really nice. I'm in profit on a lot of trades right here. I'm going to knock out this fun. All right, we'll just leave that like that. Nice. In money, in profit on your US 30s. Don't tell me you're not, because I'm in the trade. I know you are. Look at this. Look how great. Look at how great. How great thou art. I once was lost, but now like me. But now I'm found. Look at it go up. Bam, bingo. You guys are absolutely in the money on those all buys, all buys. What did I just time that right? That was more getting a little bit, that was fucking awesome timing is what the hell that was. Once was lost, but now am found. Look at it go, peeps. Look at it go. Told ya, there's your reversal. Take that to the bank and suck it. Woo! Nice. Now we're smoking along. I'm going to take the other ones out next. Nice. Now lock in some profit. When's open? Yeah. When's market open? Buy stop all indices for market open. I don't give two fucks. I'm in great money. That really put me over the top of the day. I'm good. All right. We had 3 people say yes on the 3 people out of 58 said yes, that I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, you guys have less than a minute. If I don't get more than 3 people saying, yes, you understand I'm not a financial advisor, and I mean I want 15 or more, I'm again closing off YouTube. Well, you guys are pissing me the fuck off this morning. All right, you have a minute. Here it goes. You have 40 seconds. If I don't get more yeses that I am not a financial advisor, I'm shutting down YouTube. I'll be on TikTok only. 3 minutes to market open. You have 30 seconds to type out the word yes, or I'm fucking closing down YouTube, Facebook Live, X Live. Jiminy fucking Christmas. I ask a simple question. You can't type out the word fucking yes after I give you my old morning? Get the fuck out of here. I better see a lot of fucking yeses. You got 15 seconds left or I'm going. This is crazy. I have to threaten you all to do the right fucking thing. Wow. Buy stop, 5-second, all indices. If it doesn't go up, I don't give two fucks. All right, time's up. Yes. Yes. Yes, understood. Not financial advisors. Thanks, Chloe. I'm in a pissy mood, Chloe. Leave me alone. Yes, everybody says Ken. All right, buy stop, 5 seconds, all indices. 5-second buy stops, all indices. As US 30, all of them. I ain't got nothing else. If it doesn't go up on the 5 seconds, if it goes down, I'm not taking the trade. You're in the money in NQ1. You can close those trades down if you want. All right, we'll hold right here. Again, if it drops, I'm not in any of the trades. I'm not taking any sells. Market open in a little over a minute. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on all buys. You're in the money on all 5-second buys. You can close down your trades if you like. Feel free, close down your trades if you like. You're in the money on all NAS buys, all SPX, they're all right here. These are all buys. Again, you can go over here. If I can do this, you can do this by systemtrade.com. Where was I? There we go. Look at it go up. Look at it go up. Closing down some trades. 1 minute to market open. 1 minute to market open. You're already in very, very good money. You can close down these trades if you like. I'm closing down a few. Look at the money. Nice money. Nice money. Gorgeous money before market open. This is just gorgeous. You can close down trades if you like. Less than a minute. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You're already in money on the 5-second buys. You can close those down before market open. Feel free. Lock in profit. Demo trade only. Don't trade market open. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here, on, baby. Give us some money. Give us some money. Give us some money. There it is. Even more money. There you go. Take the money and run. Take the money and run. There you go. Take the money and run. Look at that money. Take it and run. You don't need to stay in the trade at all. You can get out of the trade. There you go. Oh, shit. Look at it drop. Look at it drop. Buy. Enter it again. Buy, stop again. Buy, stop again. Enter it again. Enter it again. Enter it again. You don't have to listen to these guys. Take the money and run. Take the money and run. Look, look, look. Enter again. Enter again. There's no reason you can stay. You can go whatever you want to do. Nice. Just wait right here. That was awesome. You made money right before the move, and now it's dropping like a rock. Follow it down. Follow it down. Buy stop US 30. Buy stop. Why is this right there? What the fuck is this doing right here? Follow it down. Just follow it. We're fine. I love it. This is awesome. Let me go up to the 45 minutes. Look at it. This is fantastic. All right. Buy stop. Take profit 1. Where'd it go? Oh, 40,235. Take profit 1. Hold on. Let's go back in. Follow it down. Follow it down. Oh, come on. Let me have some. All right. Buy stop US 30. Follow it down. It's too high. On the 5 minute. There we go. There we go. 5 minute hit. 5 minute hit. Fine. Take the buy. Just take the buy. Bounce it off that 5 minutes 30. Take the buy. Let's see. I don't know if I have time to sit here for this. I'll have this out for you guys. Follow it down. Just take the buys as they come. I'm going to go all the way back up to that 45-minute time frame. Buy stop US 30. Just hang loose. If they don't pull it up between now and 10:30, they'll do it by 2:30. It's no big deal. I'm going to put it right here too. Take profit US 30, 4,266. Take profit US 30. Just keep following it down. 40,304. Take profit US 30. 40,444. Take profit US 30. 40,560. 40. Oh shit! I did it. 40,660 is what I just called. Cool. Now let's go back down to a smaller time frame here. 3 minute. Go ahead and you can still play these if you like the sells. Ricochet 30 minute. Back up on 30 minute. Ricochet back down. Sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. We'll go there again. 10 minute. I don't care. Buy stop, take profit 1 US 30, 40,351. 40,389. 40,529. That's off the 10-minute line. And then we're going to go back down again. 3 minute. 1 minute, 3 minute sell. 1 minute, 3 minute sell back down to the 5-minute blue line if it's not already below it. Looks like it's already below it. Yeah, towards the 10-minute blue line, you can take the sell if you want. I'm not touching sell. Just be wait. We're in zero rush for anything. Thank God I got out of those trades real early. You can even set it up here. 39,909 on the 10 minutes, 3-minute 5 is sell to the 10-minute, 15-minute blue line. And then we're for that flip. So just follow it down. Rule number 7, follow it down. No, I think we're going to flip soon, though. How much time? Whatever that 10 o'clock thing is, that's probably what we're going to do. 10, 10, 15. 1 hour. 2 hour. 1 hour, 2 hour buy stop US 30. Yeah, let's hang right here. This is my entry for you. I'd put it right here. 40,413. I don't know. Let me zoom in a little bit more. 40,415 to 20. Somewhere in that range. That's a tough one. Take profit again. 40,459. I love the take profit on this. That's gorgeous. Again, when you guys look at, for instance, a 2 hour, it looks like a normal candle. When we go down to like a 10-minute, it looks like the sky is falling, right? So don't have a heart attack. It's no big deal. These are highest gold. Hold on. Oh, go buy in the money. Go buy in the money. Damn, gold. No. There. 3 minutes. 5 minutes. Gold buy stop to the 5-minute blue line. There's always a permanent buy, just like the indices. I don't care how fucking low it goes. 5-minute blue line looks great, actually. You see the 15-minute. Oh, it's over. Okay. There's a 30-minute, 45-minute sell. I would never do a sell on gold. Love this one. 2 hour. 1 hour. 2 hour. Hold on. 5 hour buy stop gold. That's what I thought I called earlier. Take profit, whatever. 3,385 on gold. Love that one. And of course, 3,400, 3,500, 3,447, 3,500, 3,550, and 3,600 gold. 5 hour buy stop. Let's go back up to this. See if I see ES1 real quick. Buy stop 5 hour. Buy stop 2 hour. Buy stop 1 hour. Okay, buy stop back to the blue line. ES1. It's in the game right here. Love the trade. Just be patient. And then I'm going to give you the second one. 5,564. Let's go over to PF. And then I go. Same thing. Buy stop to the 45-minute line. And then let's go over here. I love this take profit right here. 5,532. NQ1. Same thing. So close. Take profit on NQ1. Buy stop 45-minute. 19,316. And I'm going to take it to here. 19,484. As Jesus, right underneath it is. Buy stop back to the 45-minute blue line. It's so close. 19,182. 19,333 for NAS. YM. Okay, probably went up to the 30-minute now. Yeah. 30-minute buy stop. I love this buy stop. This is your best one out of all. They're all great, but this is your best one. US 30 take profit to 40,330. And then the take profit, I'll stick with up here. 40,596. US YM1. US 30, same thing. Just let it go down. Follow it. Rule number 7. You follow it down as it goes down. This is a take profit I love, 40,129. And then the one that's after 40,470. So I'll be listening to these later today. As these fall, just take it down with it. So for instance, if you were to do your entrance, it'll do this. The next one as well. As it falls, this is the way it's going to look. Geez, hold on. You're going to see this. Then you're going to see this. And then you'll see this. What it does is it usually makes it right here. You'll see it calm down. Cross this, come back up. So you can put it somewhere around here. So we buy stuff interest. ES1 is crossing. Yeah. All right, ES1. Same exact drawing, by the way, just so you're clear. Let's see, are we past the 5 minutes? Okay, we're past the 5 minutes on US 30. The 10 minute on US 30 is fallen. Let's check off NAS. Now let's see what these 10 minutes look like. Maybe get all the way down to the 10 minutes. This is fun. It's possible. 10 minutes sell stop on all indices. I'm going to call it for you. You don't have to take it. I'm not taking the trade. This is just setting up much better buys. Take profit for SPX 500, 5,451 and a 10 minute sell. Take profit 19,164 and a 10 minute sell for what the fuck? What are we on? NQ1, sorry. And then over here is YM 19,048. And then this is US 30. Oh, US 30 is almost down to the set. This is gorgeous. Wow, it's going to take those sales. No, I don't want to take sales. I'm not taking sales. 39,923 on a 10 minute sell. Hold on. Gold's going back up already. Hold on. Gold is yours. Gold. 5 minute. Yeah. Gold went past this 5 minutes. Gold went to its 10 past. Yeah, gold past. Gold buy stop in the money, lock in profit. I've already told you where the ultimate was. I got to go. This is getting entirely too. Take profit. Gold is right here. I've already called that multiple times. We're almost there now. Well, close. 3,345, and then 3,437, and then of course 3,500, 3,550, and 3,600. Okay. Low battery shit. All right. TikTokers got to run. God bless. YouTubers, I think, haven't. Unable to go live. Not now. Congratulations. Got out of there. Okay. Let me plug in the phone. YouTubers, let me read your questions and comments. That was a nice morning. Too bad you just arsed up for a second and all drop. That's a bullshit thing. But that's all right. Be ready for a buy stop later today or tomorrow. It's fine. Let it drop all day. Yeah, as long as it tapped me out, which it did not. Yes, was in the shower. Yes, TikTok shut down. Thank you, Dark Light. I shut it down. All right, any questions before I go? Gold is gorgeous here on the 12-hour buy, just beautiful. ES1 and them follow down to the 10-minute blue line. That look for the 30-minute, 45-minute buy stop and all. As a matter of fact, let me write that out for you guys. Go ahead. All indices rating. SPX and US 30, easy YM1, ES1 in the game, NQ1. Oh shit, right around NQ1. All 10-minute to blue lines. So I wouldn't touch. basically 30-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute buy stops to US 30. Technically, it's a 30-minute, a little over 30-minute, 45-minute. And there you go. Whether this happens now, later today, by 10, 20, or like I'm thinking by 2:20 today, that's fine. We'll just follow it. I have no trades open other than I have the NAS buy open, and that's about the extent of that one. My gold, of course, but the only open trade I have left is that NAS buy. The rest of it tapped out of pocket. See, it's boom, buy, stop, safety trade, buy, ship with PS. There should be. All right, gotta go. That was fun. It was a little boring there at the end, but nonetheless, nice fun morning. All right, guys, y'all have a great morning. I should be on later today. I don't know if I will be. Actually. I got something from 3 to 4. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. Talk to y'all later. God bless. That was fun.